Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch the full performance of BINI do sa Billboard Korea, Power 100 Billboard Korea. So I think ito, fan cam lang to, and of course, i-video ko na to kasi gusto ko na tong mapanood. Ayokong ma-spoil sa kahit anong social media, and siguro pag in-upload kasi yung official video within the day, siguro pag in-upload yun baka nasa work ako, so hindi ko din siya ma-video. So papanoodin ko na to kasi gusto ko na mapanood yung full performance nila. And of course pag nilabas yung official video, i-video ko din yun or papanoodin ko kasi syempre BINI yun, so kailangan kong makita siguro every clip or fan cam or video ng performance nila kasi I know na they nailed it, slay it. So hindi ko na to patatagalan kasi super excited na ako. Let's start. By the way, dinownload ko na siya kasi baka mawala sa Twitter, so hindi ko agad mapanood. Let's turn it up. Oh my gosh, your outfits. Serving. The vocals. Sobrang in-sync. Nakita niyo pa yun? Ulit ang stako. Pati paglakad. Crazy. Let's go, Gwen. Show them. Oh my gosh, Aya. Let's go, Mika! The voice! The ad-libs is stuck. Grabe talaga yung choreo nila. Like, nandito si Aya tapos nandito na siya. Like, grabe yung travel talaga each member. Oh, this one. Yung pitik ni Maloy. again. No! Sobrang nakaka-proud. Oh my God. Kasi ako. Yes, it is. Love your stage presence. And after nito, may papanood din ako clip na parang speech nila sa Twitter. This part. Hey! Gwen's presence. Go. Hey. Hey. Grabe mo yung kulit. Let's go, Sheena, the center that you are, and also Mika. Oh my gosh, Mikaya. Grabe yung ano, tawag dito, yung angas. Swag. Hey! Sana may official video, no? Hey! Wow! Show them! Islang Pantropiko. Pero parang for me, parang sayang kasi gusto ko yung part sana ni Jo, yung part na "Cause boy, it feels so good", yung part na yun ni Jo. Parang sobrang hot ni Jo doon. Sana nakita nitong audience. Tsaka yung rap ni Mika, yung ano nga ba yun? In this tropical island, sitting on a white sand. Basta yung part na yun, and then yung lower register ni Colette after ni Mika, sayang lang kasi wala dito sa performance nila na to. Parang ang sarap makita na pinerform ng Bini yun sa Korean audience. Parang kasi diba slay yung part na yun. Pero they need this performance. Like 8. Parang they ate CDs for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like for real, walang backtrack. Eh, may nakatalikod si Gwen, tapos sumarap. Sheesh! Let's go! At least pinerform nila yung Pantropiko, nakinig sila sa fans. Like yung management. Eh, grabe talaga hips ni Sheena. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Ganda yung outfit nila, oh my gosh. This is Naka, siya pretty. Wow! Sobrang nakaka-proud. And parang diba, yung grabe yung damang-dama mo yung yung presence nila and yung confidence. Feeling ko, syempre kinakabahan sila dito, pero hindi nila pinaramdam or pinamukha na kinakabahan sila kasi grabe yung confidence nila sa stage. Siguro as a performer na din. Kasi diba the way sila kumanta, and then si Maloy, yung confidence niya dun sa sinigaw niya pa yung Billboard Korea. So, parang, diba, parang hinahype niya yung crowd. So, sobrang nakaka-proud talaga. And then, ito naman nakita ko sa Twitter, sa Billboard Philippines, yung speech nila. So, super excited na ako marinig yung speech nila. Sobrang nakaka-proud.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Standing in front of many incredible artists
My
and
gosh,
industry leaders.
Aya speaking
It's really a
English.
dream come true for us, Beanie, and we'd like to thank Billboard Korea because we got to add this experience to our core memory.
Like, sobrang
On behalf of
angelic
Beanie,
voice. Speaking voice.
it's ultimately an honor, and we are so grateful to receive this award. But
Yung bias ko kulit,
this
bakit
award isn't just for us.
mas
It's
malaki si
also for
Malay
those
sa'yo? I
people
mean,
who
mas
believe in
matangkad.
us and who have been a part of our journey. From our hardworking team and management, ABS-CBN, to our music label, Star Music, to the composers, songwriters who have contributed such memorable songs for Beanie. Thank you so much. To our support system, our families and friends, to our Blooms, we love you guys. Thank you for your love and dedication that you've put on to us. And of course, Billboard Philippines, thank you for nominating us and for continuing to champion Filipino music.
Eh, let's go, Pepa Press.
Being here tonight with so many talented artists inspire us to keep pushing boundaries and to share our music with the world. This award reminds us that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. To our fellow artists, we admire and respect each and every one of you. To our fellow P-pop group SB19, thank you so much for inspiring
Yung
us.
goosebumps ko, guys.
And yes, we're so excited to be here, and of course, yeah, and we're nervous actually because this is our
Ang
first.
cute ni Aya, like nakatingin talaga siya kay Jo. Wala salita si Jo. And then, parang assuring ni Jo na
Yes. Yeah,
na
patuloy po
she's
namin
okay, like,
iangat ang
basta
musikang
parang
Pilipino. Maraming
okay yung
salamat
sinasabi
po.
niya ganon. Parang, kasi kinakabahan si Jo magsalita.
Together as a group, and we're just full of happy emotions right now.
Yes. Yeah, patuloy po namin iangat ang musikang
Eh,
Pilipino.
Filipino
Maraming
language,
salamat.
Tagalog.
Thank you.
Wow, sobrang nakaka-proud. As in.
Billboard Philippines.
So, ayan, grabe yung performance nila. Like, yung, oh my gosh. Parang iniba nila yung ano, yung dance break, yung start. Tapos, grabe, like, what? Tapos parang hindi man lang sila, alam mo, di ba, naka-on yung mic. Tapos parang hindi man lang sila hinapo or something, napagod dun sa dance break. Grabe. Like, the nation's girl group talaga. And sobrang nakaka-proud as a Bloom. Like, hindi man ako nasa simula ng journey ng Beanie. Pero ngayong nandito na ako, grabe. Like, ma-witness mo to or mapanood mo sila na unti-unti na nilang nararating yung mga dreams nila, yung mga pangarap nila. Ito na yung pinaghirapan nila. Grabe, like super nakaka-proud. And tayo to as a Bloom, sobrang proud na what more pa yung family nila. And of course, yung Beanie mismo sa isa't isa. Grabe, like feeling ko hindi sila masyadong nakatulog sa Korea kasi parang hindi pa nagsisink in sa kanila yung mga nangyari. Super nakaka-proud. Like, what? I'm so excited sa future ng Beanie kung saan pa sila magpe-perform. Let's manifest yung mga dreams pa nila na stage. Grabe yung vocals nila dun sa Cherry on Top and sa Pantropiko. Sayang lang kasi sana parang kasi every group ata one song lang siguro kaya parang minaximize nila yung minutes ng song. Pero sana wala, parang for me lang mas maganda sana kung 'di ba mas mahaba yung time or na-perform nila yung magandang part sa Pantropiko. Pero still ang ganda pa din ng performance, nailed pa din, Slay 8. Wow. And nakinig yung management sa Blooms kasi 'di ba parang nagpa-trend tayo ng Beanie please perform Pantropiko, which is a good thing naman for Beanie din kasi 'di ba ayun naman yung gusto nating fans, parang Kasi sakto summer sa Korea, and then yung Pantropiko talaga yung viral song ng BINI, which is familiar din sa mga K-pop idol. So, di ba, parang pag narinig yun ng mga audience dun sa event na to kagabi, like, kung hindi pa nila kilala yung BINI or narinig lang nila yung Pantropiko, di ba, mapapaisip sila na, sila pala yun, like, what? Sila pala yan, sobrang galing. Tapos na-imagine ko na yung mga K-nets, like, who's this girl wearing ganito, ganyan. Kasi sobrang grabe yung live vocals talaga, rinig na rinig mo, like, no backing track, like, slay, live vocals, that's BINI, that's our nation's girl group BINI. So again guys, kapag may in-upload na official video, i-video ko pa din yon kasi baka lang within the day kasi i-upload yung official video or fan cam, kahit ano, is baka nasa work ako, pero pagkatapos ko ng work, i-video ko yan if ever na mag-upload today ng official video, ganan. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!